Namaskar, welcome back to Yoga Fitness with Priyanka Sharma. Today we are going to take the second asana, Vrikshasana or tree pose of the series. If you haven't seen the first asana, then go and check it out. So let's get started. Vrikshasana. Vriksh means a tree. Technique for this asana is stand in Tadasana. Bend the right leg at the knee and place the right heel at the root of the left thigh. You can see my toes pointing downwards, heel closer to the groin. Your knees pointing out. Balance on the left leg. Join the palms. Inhale. Raise the arms straight over the head. Stay for a few seconds in the pose, breathing deeply. You need to relax your face in this posture and then slowly lower the palms. Separate the palms. Straighten the right leg and stand again in Tadasana. Then repeat the pose standing on the right leg. Placing the left heel at the root of your right thigh. Stay for the same length of time on both the sides. So again you have to check your position of your leg, your foot, both the palms and the heart center. Inhale, you raise your hands above your head, relaxing your face, gazing at one spot. So this posture, it tones up the leg muscles and gives one a sense of balance. So it balances your mind and your body. It's very good to improve your concentration. And then you can relax your leg and come back to Tadasana. The key point of this asana is you have to place your toes pointing down, heels closer to the perineum and your knees are pointing out, and balance on your leg. The alternate posture for those who cannot perform Vrikshasana is you can move your palms or you can move closer to the wall. So by holding the wall, you can just place your foot, adjust your foot. Either you can place it closer to your calf or you can rest your toes initially on the ground. So this is Vrikshasana. Thank you guys for watching this video. Do subscribe, like and comment below. And stay tuned for the coming asanas. Namaste. Stay blessed.